afternoon, you guys. Welcome to Vlogmas day 23. It's about 2:30 right now. And I just wanted to share with you guys really quickly because my mom's friend is coming over. I think right now they're at the Thousand Oaks Mall. They're kind of just hanging out. They had lunch and then they're gonna have dinner here at home. It looks so nice and clean. It looks so festive for Christmas. My mom did this whole entire like tablescape. It looks so nice. It looks so fancy. Whenever she has some sort of party here, or not even a party, just people over, she likes to bring out the good silverware with the nice plates. She even bought poinsettias, and here is the living room. It looks so much neater and nicer than how it looked the last couple days. She also bought this one at the store, cleared up this coffee table where you guys know this is where we have our tea time. And then yesterday we took some pictures before we left since Darren was dressed up in his dress blues. We took a family picture, which I think will be for next year's Christmas cards because we didn't even send out Christmas cards this year. I think I'm just gonna save that for this upcoming year since I don't know if he will be coming home for Christmas next year. Sorry, I know I look probably really shiny and oily. It's because I have on some skincare. So right now I am currently editing Vlogmas from yesterday, and then I need to respond back to comments. I think it's gonna be really chill today. I don't think we're doing anything really. It's just gonna be super chill. And look at this. Even the floors are shiny. This is my mom's wall of Christmas cards. Some of these, well actually most of them are for her and my dad. People have sent them Christmas cards, but also some of them are Christmas cards I have received. Thank you to everybody who has sent Christmas cards. I know this year and I should have mailed out Christmas cards. I'm gonna continue editing and probably also just get ready since my mom's friend will be here in a bit. So it is now like many hours later. We've just been at home. I'm gonna go have dinner with Darren. An hour or so. It's the annual parade in our city. We always have this parade every year. I think if you like go back through the different years of Vlogmas, they always have it every year. That's why I have on brows and I kind of pulled myself together so that I could look presentable when I go outside because I definitely wanted to vlog it. Oh, I think everything looks so Christmassy. I don't think I even mentioned this to you guys, but my mom attached the angel to the top of the Christmas tree. We have this every year. It's so cool. Know what time it is. It is time for us to open another one of the 24 days of tea from David's Tea. We are on day number 23, you guys. I cannot believe it. Let's check out what is in day number 23. Santa's Secret. From what I remember, I think this is sweet and pepperminty. So this contains high caffeine, which is perfect because it is the next morning. You steep this between 3 to 5 minutes. Ooh, this smells really good. Peppermint with some sweetness to it. These actually have small little tiny candy canes. Here is our perfect spoonful. Can you guys see the little candy canes? Santa's Secret Festive Peppermint Treat. Black tea, peppermint, sprinkles, natural and artificial vanilla, and it also contains soy. This does not contain any calories. Let's open day number 23, right down here. I think this is a little boot. Nope, it's not. It is actually an ice skate. Thank you guys so much for commenting on day number 22's Vlogmas with your recommendations for 85 Degree Bakery. I didn't even realize there's an 85 Degree Bakery in Northridge. If you guys are from Southern California and are familiar with the Valley area, I guess there's an 85 Degree Bakery across the Northridge Fashion Center, Northridge Mall. I'm keeping the teas in this little box. from Kiehl's. On the 25th, we are actually going to go through all the teas to give you guys like a little roundup of everything. Let's try this tea, which smells amazing. Oh, this is the perfect blend. Peppermint, caramel. I don't know if David's Tea sells this tea individually, but if they did, I would buy this on its own and incorporate it into my regimen of drinking jasmine green tea. For today's daily tea talk, I'm just curious what you guys would prefer. I was thinking about ending Vlogmas on the 25th, which is of course Christmas Day. You guys will see that vlog on the 26th, but I was thinking about continuing Vlogmas up through the 31st, which is what some people like to do, since anyway Darren is here until he goes back to North Carolina on the 2nd. I don't know if that's something you guys would be interested in, or if I should just, after the 25th, then just go back to the weekly vlogs. We'll still have our daily tea time, which I think would be fun. This tea is really good. Let's go ahead and eat our little chocolate. Let me know down below. And you know what? I'm gonna finish up my tea. We're gonna hang up day number 23. We are hanging up day number 23. Our Christmas tree is filled to the brim. Alright you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and end Vlogmas day 23 here. Hope you guys had a wonderful Sunday. Wishing you guys an early Merry Christmas Eve. If you guys celebrate Christmas, happy holidays to you guys, and I will see you guys later for Vlogmas day 24.